Today's discussions have carried over what we discussed in PF2, and the main objective of today's conversation is to concretize and align the proposed work plan into a verifiable and achievable project within a 90-day period.
From the Participatory Forum 1, we had an identification of the needs that came up from the community, from the research, from the priorities. And from the Participatory 1, we then headed into the Participatory 2 session, where now we started looking deeply into the issues and coming up with pilot ideas by the stakeholders to see any viable project that could come out of it.
Well, from today highlight discussions, today we are doing participatory assessment, participatory forum 3, and what I've taken from today's highlight, it was more on piloting the projects that each groups were discussing, as well as also drafting with the concept note, and at the same time we were also finding commitments to where the partners can be making. Commitment in terms of the roles, in terms of the resource mobilization, also the funding.
The highlights and the expected outcomes of this participatory forum is overall the three groups will each have developed a proposal and a work plan targeting the three thematic areas. We have education, we have livelihoods, we have health, housing and land. And what should come out clearly is that these work plans and activities will be piloted and then so that they can be cascaded to cover the entire Kakuma West and in particular Kakuma municipality.
The action that will be taken within that plan is we will have a project that will be conducted within 3 months, and we have highlighted and specified the weeks, the date on the actual when are we supposed to conduct those activities.
As an administrator within Kakuma municipality, I think what needs to be done is all partners or organizations within around the UN agencies need to bring their head together and support programs or activities that support.
This process has been supported as much as supported by the Kakuma municipality, which actually hosts Kakuma, which has enabled us to engage multiple stakeholders with their help, and which also is supporting the whole process of land to just try and see how better can we ensure that integration is happening in the secondary cities, with the best policy, with the best people to take part in the planning, and eventually the best solutions for our communities.
Any stakeholder, any partner who can invest in this participatory fora will be doing the residents of Kakuma and the other municipalities a great deal, enabling them to meet, enabling them to discuss issues affecting them, enabling them to raise proposals on how they can solve these issues. So the message is, anyone who is willing, who has the capacity and the resources, is most welcome to support these participatory forums.